Welcome to another tutorial video from Linkall. Today we'll be covering the VAT percentage changes, which at the moment we have a 5% tax relief, which is set to change on the 1st of October 2021 to 12.5. So if we go to the home screen of Touch Office, there's going to be two things you want to change. So we log in with the details that will be supplied to you for your cloud login information. On the left hand side we have a tab called Programming, and as we scroll down we have something called Tax. So we click on the tax icon and we can see our set percentage at 5%. So we change the name of this to VAT 12.5% for the receipts, and then we change the rate in the rate section here, which will actually calculate the tax that goes on the receipts to the customer or for your accountant when they're taking tax reports. Once that's set, we press save. Now we want to highlight I think it's more a lot of accountants in the UK have required or asked for the POS providers in the UK to do this. So on your department groups, now we just want to say anybody watching this video that's not with us, we have two different things. You have groups and departments. Now departments, imagine like a department store, or if a department could be in a hotel, such as the rooms or the food for the kitchen or the bar. So please keep your departments as your main categories, and this is obviously backed up with big companies in the UK using EPOS systems like Zonal and so on. Your department is your major group, not your subgroups. So as we go into departments, we also have food at 5%, so we'll change that to 12.5. And then we have soft drinks and sundries, which is also 5. So that's a lovely report when you're going into your main logging into Touch Office, and it comes up at the top, those subcategories, and it makes it so nice for your accountant because they'll know those three categories are at a 12. You've got the two 12.5s, and you have the 20% for your alcohol sales, basically. So that's your amendments for the two sort of reporting areas and the calculations that go on the receipts and so on. And I just want to give you a little bit of information about when you're actually speaking to an accountant or something and they want to look at these reports, or you want to check that all of your products are in the correct categories. Now, if you have a commercially graded system from us, our PLU ranges are preset. But if we go top left and select reports, we can search for PLU tax sales. So we click on there and we can select our date, say for the whole month, and submit this, and it will generate this report that will show us everything that's being sold throughout the rates. So as we can see here, we have the 12.5% non-alcoholic drinks, and it's just basically giving you a very visual check of any little PLUs or products that might be in the wrong group, and you can go and edit that in the programming section and get that right in there. I think there's nothing worse than if you issue a receipt and you happen to have an alcoholic drink in the wrong category. As I say, for us, we have fixed commercial graded ranges within our PLUs, so it's unusual for that to happen unless someone who's programmed your system has gone on their own little tangent of putting a product in the wrong area. But that group is fantastic, and obviously for your accountant they get their VAT calculations on there as well. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.